What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know people missed me on the stream today, and I appreciate people that did stop by, that did show me love on the comments that I had, or the post that I had on Twitter and on YouTube. I appreciate you guys, but I had a lot of work to do, so obviously I couldn't really get to streaming. It's month end close. You know, month end close tends to be busy sometimes, or most times. So guys, make sure you guys hit the like button on this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell if you guys are interested in all of this content. Also, check out some of my other channels. I have a golf channel that I'm dedicating a lot of time to because I love to play golf. So I want to get better. I want my swing, obviously, to get more distance and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check that out. It's Matt Perry Golf. You want to search it on YouTube, or you can find it on my main channel. If you go to channel section, you'll see all the associated channels. But let's talk about AMC and what did happen today, because in the beginning of the day, it wasn't really the most positive thing, and it looked like it was going to be the start to a negative day. The good thing is Wednesday is positive, as well as, Thursday is positive after having that down day on Wednesday. But then, we can look at Monday, Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday were great. Seeing Thursday, great. Hopefully we can see Friday end on a high note and, breaking 50. We're noticing that they're not really showing, or they're trying to show that they have more power, but it's not really showing the right way. Right, because we can see that they are shorting this. We can see that they are borrowing shares. We can see that they are trying, but they can't keep it down. Eventually, this thing is going to blow. It's going to go to a level that's a lot higher than where it was, maybe $100 or so. And then maybe we'll see some more consolidation. But the point is that they can't hold it at these levels. And they think, or they're trying to show that they can, and they're trying to think that they can because of the fact that they think they're going to get people to fall off or sell their position, which you have a lot of apes that are not selling their position. That's just how it goes. But you can see here on the chart that when it opened, it fell down to about 42. I was watching at that point, and I did see the bounce back, which was definitely great to see that jump. It did start to come back and then jumped again. So you started seeing some positive movement all the way up to $44.90, and it did decrease after hitting that high of $44.90 down to a level of around $43, where it had a sort of a double touch point, and then started to increase again, where you did see some consolidation through the end of the day, with the 200 EMA being below the 15 moving average, which is a great sign, a great bullish sign. But then you see that crossover to where we did see a bounce after a little bit and get back to a point to where it did cross over before it ended in the day. Now the volume, after all of this fluctuation, all of this movement that we've seen, a price movement to where it went from 42 of a low to 44 or almost 45 of a high, you're seeing all of that fluctuation, all of that price movement. You're not really seeing a lot of volume there. So it's obviously showing that there's a lot of buying power that's going into it. Plus, they're trying to short this thing to make it look like it's something that it's a negative position, that it's going to stay at these levels, and it's not worth our time. But it is worth our time. We understand exactly what it is. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about where my feelings, or where my head is right now, because I didn't have any type of update with you guys. But I did want to show you guys the Ortex data. We do have 90 million shares, 90.84 million short interest or shorted shares. When you look at the short interest percentage, you're looking at 17.76%, so almost 18%. We had a change, basically looking at them borrowing a lot more shares than they return. They're obviously trying to build up a lot more because they know that they can't hold this thing. So eventually they're going to have to get to a point to where they build up shares, short those things if they wanted to, and maybe even have some retail traders in there doing that as well, not understanding the situation at hand. But they're obviously borrowing a lot of shares. Now we can also look at some of the Fintel data to understand what happened, really on, Wednesday, right? Because we see today that we obviously had that decrease a little bit, but then we have that increase where it ended up finishing at 1.5%. But you could see that they shorted around 40% yesterday. The day before that, it shorted 41%. So they're not shorting as much as they were before, up in the 50% when it comes to FINRA data. So understand that they're losing firepower. They're not gaining enough firepower. They are losing. We are winning. we are clearly winning this overall situation. So I just wanted to put my, any information that I did have out there. I did receive a message on Discord about the fact that Robinhood is like restricting trades or restricting shares or something. I didn't see anything on it, so I just wanted to call it out to see if it is a thing. If you guys do have any information on that, then let me know. But I didn't see any articles or anything like that. Maybe it's on Twitter, but I haven't really been on Twitter too much today. So that's what I had for you guys today. Really just to talk about the fact that it is a good positive day. Right now we're seeing it even in the after hours market really consolidate, and let's hope for a large jump in the pre-market as we go into tomorrow. I believe there's going to be a stream tomorrow. I am busy with stuff, but I believe there's going to be a stream. I just had a lot of meetings to prepare for today, and I was up at 4 in the morning working on all that stuff. So I basically worked a very long time today. But anyways, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about AMC. When is it going to take off? What are your feelings about it? What's the top price that you believe is going to get to? If you got to this point in the video, which is the very end of the video, make sure you put apples in the comment to let me know, or in the comment section to let me know that you did watch until the end. I appreciate anybody that does watch till the end, and it's just always great. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you check out some of my other channels. Definitely go visit my golf channel. I want to grow that thing to the level that my main channel is at. And, you guys can help me with that. So definitely go ahead and check that out. But I'm going to get out of here. And actually, sorry. The way that I'm going to push that, actually, today, Erica and I went out and golfed. So she's going to be in a golf video soon. Not in the next video that I post. It's going to be probably the video after that, or maybe the video after that. But she will be in there soon, and she'll be in a couple of videos because we had a couple of matches, a couple of things, and it was really fun. So if you guys are interested in that content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe over there and ring that bell. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.